To our cherished subscribers and regular viewers, welcome back to our channel. And also a warm welcome to new viewers to our series where we tell the story of the symbolism and origin of the flags of the world. Today we're journeying to the heart of the Arabian Gulf to talk about the history, symbolism, and the design journey of the captivating flag of Bahrain. The Kingdom of Bahrain is a small island country nestled in the Persian Gulf. Despite its modest geographical size, Bahrain boasts a rich and vibrant history that extends back several millennia. The archipelago now known as Bahrain has been inhabited since prehistoric times. The ancient Dilmun civilization, one of the oldest trading centers in the Near East, thrived here around 5,000 years ago. Over centuries, Bahrain passed through the hands of various empires, from the Assyrians and Babylonians to the Persians. In the 7th century AD, it became one of the earliest territories to convert to Islam during the lifetime of Prophet Muhammad. Throughout the medieval period, Bahrain experienced a series of invasions from different foreign powers, including the Portuguese in the 16th century. However, it was the Al Khalifa family, originally from the Najd region of what is now Saudi Arabia, who would shape Bahrain's modern identity. They seized the islands from the Persians in 1783 and have ruled Bahrain ever since. Bahrain became a British protectorate in the 19th century after signing several treaties with Britain, providing the island nation with military protection in exchange for control over defense and foreign affairs. The discovery of oil in the 1930s brought rapid modernization and wealth to Bahrain, which was the first Arabian Gulf state to strike oil. With this brief history lesson out of the way, we can elaborate more about the inclusion of the red and white colors in the flag, and also why it has serrated edges with 5 points, as these are all design features that are linked to the history of this small kingdom. The flag of Bahrain have evolved over time. It started out as plain red. It's believed to signify the Kharijite sect of Islam, which is historically associated with this region. The white band on the left has a quite fascinating origin. This was originally a result of 1820 maritime truce signed between the United Kingdom and several sheikdoms of the Persian Gulf, which later became known as the Perpetual Maritime Truce of 1853. The white area was to signify truce with their enemies. It's worth noting that the serrated edge between the two colors wasn't incorporated in the flag until 1932. The flag originally had 28 white points, but this was reduced to 8 in 1972. And on the 14th of February in 2002 the flag got the design we know today. The number of points was reduced from 8 to 5, so that each of the points could stand for one of the 5 pillars in the religion of Islam. That's it for the story of Bahrain's flag, a simple yet powerful symbol that encapsulates the nation's history, faith, and values. But each flag has more stories to tell, so stick around for our next journey. Later in our series we will also tell the story of the flag of the country of Qatar, a flag that on first glance often can be mistaken for the flag of Bahrain. At closer inspection you'll see that this flag has more points in the serrated line as well as a maroon and not a red color. Don't forget to hit like if you found this interesting, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more flag histories from around the globe. Until our next voyage, stay curious.